Welcome to Little Smile, where fun and learning begin.
Adin grabs his yellow duck. Rosy fills her bubbly cup. Splish, splash, water play. Bath time fun is here today. Rub a duck duck in the tub. Bubbles popping, scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash your hands and wash your toes. Don't forget your little nose. Soap is sliding everywhere. Rosy's got some in her hair. Adin laughs and makes a wave. Bath time's what we really crave. Rub a dub dub in the tub. Bubbles popping, scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash your arms and wash your knees. Then we rinse off nice and clean. Towels ready, time to dry. Bye bye bubbles, wave goodbye. Every night when day's through, bath time's here, just me and you.